Hi guys, today's tutorial is how to change time zone on Gmail. There are two ways this can be achieved. First, you log in or you go to your menu icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. You click on it. Then you click on settings. Once it's opened, click on time and language. Select date and time. Here, you can set time automatically. To change the time zone, you have to click to add for different time zone. You click the arrow and the drop down options will appear. Then you choose the time zone of your preferred choice. Now you close the page and open your Gmail on your web browser. At the top right corner of the screen, you will find multiple dots. Click on it, then you select calendar. Once it's opened, you click on the gear icon to open the settings. Select settings. If you scroll down, this is the time zone section. You can display your secondary time zone if you want to. Now, to change the primary time zone, you click on the arrow beside it and select or you choose a time zone from the drop down options. You can also select your country, the date and time formats. So you choose to your preferred and it has been saved automatically. Now you are able to change your Gmail time zone. That wraps up the video guys. Ensure to press the like button and subscribe for more useful content. Bye guys.